Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to delete all the carousels you've shared by date on the Instagram app for PC with the latest update. If you've been posting a lot and want to clean up your profile all at once, this method will save you a ton of time. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're inside, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the More icon, which looks like 3 dots. Click on it to open the menu. From here, select the option labeled Your Activity. This is where Instagram stores all the tools for managing your past posts. Inside your activity, head to the section called Photos and Videos. In some cases, you might see Reels below it as well. This is where you'll find your carousels. Now, this is the important part. At the top of the Photos and Videos section, you'll see an option for Sort and Filter. Click there. You'll get the chance to enter a specific time frame. Type in your start date and your end date. This will filter out only the carousels you shared during that period. Once you've entered your dates, click on Apply. When the results load, tap on Select. This will allow you to choose which carousels you want to remove. If your goal is to delete all of them within the date range, just select them all. When you're ready, click on Delete. Instagram will then ask you to confirm this step. Make sure you've chosen the correct carousels, and once you're certain, press Delete again. The selected carousels will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can clean up your Instagram profile in bulk by specific dates. This is a great way to organize your feed, remove older posts, or just start fresh without having to delete each carousel one by one. If you found these steps helpful, take a moment to try it out now and manage your content with ease.